cats back at home. So yeah, a lot of cats. And with a lot of cats comes the time to name them. It's hard. So I try to find a way to know their names easily. So I named cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, cat 4. Cat 5, cat 6. Cat 7, cat 8, great. I got tired just from naming them. Anyway, fun. Still a lot to go, fuck's sake, I thought this would take longer. You try to improvise, but doesn't work. So great. I'll try to be relatable now. Boo, you suck. Okay, relatable stuff. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell, that didn't took me long. I thought, but... Did you see those lights? Very bright, great. How long? Still a lot to go. This will take me a long time to fill. Anyway. Woo! You holding for your dear life, right? Me too. Okay. People are very afraid of talking about things. Maybe it's not the thing that you're thinking of, but maybe it's the thing that I'm thinking of. I don't know, it's things. Things are confusing. Sometimes things are here, sometimes things are there, sometimes things are there. Who knows about things? Things can be everywhere and everything. Shakespeare once told, things are not things. This is my version of that, but hey, still the same shit. Another day I received an email that contained just the following phrase, any news? So I sent 300 articles of news to this person, but they never reply, ungrateful people, I guess.